What if you could set up a Jira cloud to ServiceNow integrations in under 1 minute without complex handshakes or reinstalling apps? Today, I will show you how Exalate's Unified Console makes cross-platform integrations faster, visual, and fully bidirectional. Hey everyone, welcome to Rai Gurukul. This is Deepak Rai, and if you are an Atlassian, Jira, or ServiceNow admin or work with enterprise integrations, this video is for you. In this walkthrough, we will cover accelerates the ramp of features, creating Jira ServiceNow integrations or connections, understanding the accelerates scripting consoles, and AI-powered script generations. We'll also test runs and version history and fully bidirectional sync. We will see it here. So there are two ways to connect system in Exalates, where we have very advanced feature recently added. Start by creating an Exalate account. I already have my account created. We can start creating your first connections. To create a connections, we have to just click on add connections and click on new connections. We need to authenticate. We have to provide system name, which system we wanted to connect with. I wanted to provide this name because this is my Jira instance. I will add here Jira. Under the system URL, I will provide my domain and click on next. Connect to Jira Clouds. Wizards will open. We have to authenticate and post authentications. This will get integrated with my instance. These are some of the settings. We have to accept it and click for next. This side it's done. After that, I will add snow. I'm adding snow here. Here also, I'm going to provide the connections name. And within this connections, we'll click on next here. Either we have to use username and password, or we can use OAuth 2 authentications. I'm going ahead with the username and password. So whichever way we want, username and password or OAuth 2 authentications, click on next. It will take you to the next screen where we have to provide descriptions or details, else we can push to the next options. This is the integrations which we have as of now. I already created the previous integrations, and here we wanted to give any informations what we are looking for. If we want, we can just edit it or proceed with the next. I will click on create connections. It will take few seconds to get it integrated and sync up. After that, it will ask me to continue on integrations. For now, I'm using social media project in Jira. I will click on build and continue, and post that either we can click on quick simp up or we have to click on edit and test, where I will open draft editor, and from this wizard we will see the entire configurations screen. It will take few seconds, and post that we will jump into the wizard. We have scripts where we can see all the script listed. So this is the outgoing script and incoming script. We have both available. In terms of replica, we can see keys informations where we are using issue.key. In ServiceNow, we have this. So this part is from Jira, and this script contains on ServiceNow. We don't have to switch multiple screen. Each and every information is available here itself. If we want, even we can modify any of those scripts. Consider we wanted to map Jira summary with ServiceNow short descriptions. In this case, this is my ServiceNow summary and this is my ServiceNow short descriptions. It's already added. If we want, even we can modify it. In terms of descriptions, attachments, comments feel clearly mapped with each other. No more switching tabs or guessing what syncs where. Everything is available here. Now, Question for you is, do you prefer pure scripting or ADA to help you get them up? Let me know in comment. We'll be happy to see your response. After that, this is available in draft. I wanted to click on new versions. Under this, I will provide my trigger. The trigger is nothing but it's automatically sync Jira work items that matches with our JQL query. Here, I will add issues as an entity, and after that, I will provide the project name. So my project name is SM, and after this, I will add labels, and here I will add to ServiceNow. So whenever this label is tapped, my issue will automatically sync. Once it is done, I will save the trigger and this will be saved successfully. Here I'm just updating it. And here, if we want, even we can start testing the connections. Anything you wanted to modify, we will get it done here itself. So under the version history rollback, another powerful features is scripting version history. We can create new versions, test changes safely, roll back instantly if something breaks up. Here we will have items, whichever items we want, and the name whenever we want, and then test the connections. After this, I will start test run. It will test and verify for me, and accordingly, this will update the versions. Here, this is the existing test versions, or we can publish the new versions. After that, we will publish this versions and click on confirm. As of now, it's done. Let's see one example. I wanted to create a new ticket in Jira, and I will provide data is not synced in staging environment. This is my summary. I wanted to tag as label. So if you don't have the label, you can create it. I already created my labels. I will tag with this. Click on create. Exactly same ticket whenever I will create, it will get added into the incident. And we can also see those mapping. So this is my ticket ID SM18. I wanted to verify this ticket is created in service or not. We'll add and you can see it's automatically synced. This is my ID, incident ID. Here I will add the same incident and check for the detail. Now you can see data is not synced in staging environment. This is one of the examples. We can see it here quickly. It is without hustle. And if we want, even we can do the comparisons of it. And accordingly, it will display the data. Whenever I will update this ticket, it will get updated in both way. Comments from Jira. I will add this comment and save it. It will take few seconds to get it updated, and we won't be able to even see how much time it took. Similarly, I'm adding comments from ServiceNow. So earlier comment is highlighted here. This is a ServiceNow comment. When I will go and refresh this, I will see the ServiceNow comments are also listed. Here we have this data available. We have all those version history available. Whenever we want, we can see the connections, update any of those scripts and get it done. Consider I wanted to add any of this script. We can even use AI components by just adding some prompts. We can generate valid scripts, suggest script optimizations, ready to insert and modify troubleshoots. You sync errors in simple language and helps diagnose. Would AI generated script make your integration easier? Let me know in comment. After doing this, we will just start and test run. So test run, this features can be very helpful for integrations. We can now simulate integrations without creating real tickets. And post that, we have to just select an issue case, view how data is passed between system, and from the replica of preview how the data is mapped at the destinations. It also validates scripts safely even in productions. So it will not take much time. You can see it's very simple and UI prone where zero risk, full confidence. And this is a bi-directional syncing available in Exalate. So in Exalate is fully bi-directions by default. In this wizard, I'm just saving the script and reverting it back to published versions. And after this, I will update the ServiceNow ticket. Now I'm updating the status to in progress, and similar we are expecting into Jira as well. So I updated the tickets into in progress and I'm expecting same thing into Jira. So for this, I will go and see if it is synced or not. So this is a bi-directional syncing available where we are expecting the updates quickly into Jira itself. Consider one example. If Jira issue is resolved, we are updating in ServiceNow state and resolutions nodes. The AI will automatically pick this and it will fix the resolutions code in Jira as well, which is interesting enough where AI generates valid sync script, suggest script optimizations, ready to insert and modify troubleshooting. Our sync errors in simple language and helps diagnose. So what AI generated scripts make your integrations easier, we can see it here itself. Along with this, this is a two directional, so we can switch either from ServiceNow to Jira or Jira to ServiceNow. And from the troubleshooting options, we will see the resolve status. If you have any tools that can be also integrated, it's approved on both way where we can test and run the script. Exalate is a fully bidirectional by default. Sync data in real time. Updates flow both ways. Jira to ServiceNow and ServiceNow to Jira. Comment, work notes, attachments all sync automatically. No extra configurations needed. If you're integrating Jira, ServiceNow, or any other enterprise tools, Exalates makes it faster, safer, scalable, and more visuals, more powerful than ever. If you wanted to try it out, hit descriptions under that, refer the link and go for the trial versions. This will help you to get it integrated with two enterprise based applications and do bidirectional syncing between them. Feel free to refer the link in comments and get it started now. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to reach out to me. You can also use comment sections for any queries or suggestions. We'll see you in next video. Till then, happy Exalate.